Starbucks has done it again. Wow. Hey y'all, so today I am out running some errands. It is a pretty gloomy day. I also have an update for you guys about the stolen package. If you watched my previous video, if you didn't, be sure to go and check that out. Anyway, so later that same day, I don't know, sometime after dark, I went downstairs and there was a sorry we missed you USPS notice in the slit of my door. And it was definitely catching to the eye. It wasn't there before. So I am headed to the post office right now to, get my package and verify that what's actually in my package is in my package. The post office guy never rang my doorbell. He never knocked on my door. He simply just came back after possibly getting wind that, an open investigation was going to take place, and he left a notice. He didn't leave his name on the notice. He didn't try to like a second attempt delivery type thing. So clearly he did not want to come into contact with me. He just let me leave this notice so she can go get her stuff. So I'm so glad that, he came back, and I'm really hoping that when I pick up my package, it is what it is and I can just move on from that. But that is the update. That's a crazy occurrence. He definitely came after hours because I was back and forth downstairs, and like I said, it was definitely catching to the eye the way that the notice was left in my door. It was definitely a nighttime situation where he came to my house to leave it. He probably wasn't even on the clock anymore, if I had to guess, but that's all speculation. Anyway, I am at the grocery store. I'm gonna go pick up a few things, and then I am going to head to the post office, and I will be opening my package to verify that the contents that are supposed to be in my package are actually in my package. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up in just a minute. As you can see, I stopped at Starbucks. I was in Kroger's and they had a Starbucks, so why not? I got the caramel iced macchiato with almond milk, and I am trying something new here. This is the Starbucks grilled cheese, and y'all, look at this. Look how yummy this looks. Wow. It's my first time trying it. Wow, this is really good. So, of course, this has a lot of calories because it's bread, but it does have a lot of protein as well. If I read the sign correctly, it was 21 grams of protein, so that is amazing. And yeah, it has a nice garlicky, buttery taste. The cheese is really good. It's very crispy. Starbucks has done it again. Wow. So I'm actually just sitting in the parking lot of Kroger's. I'm about to drive over to the post office now and get my package, so I'll let you guys know how that goes. I'm just gonna eat and enjoy my food, so I'll check back in with you guys later. Just left the post office and I did get my package. I verified right there in the parking lot that it actually was my item. It didn't look tampered with or anything like that, so I'm very relieved. I'm very happy, but I will be cautious about what I order online, especially during holiday season, because I just don't want to have any issues. But I'm so happy that this is resolved and I don't have to worry about, you know, going through a whole investigation process or anything like that. So I just wanted to give you guys that update. I'm about to drive home and put these groceries up, get some work done, and I'll check back in with you guys sometime later. I'm kind of in between this pillow and this pillow. That one is really plain. This one is cute. It has beading. I like that. just unloaded my car. I'm not gonna film myself unpacking all of this. I'll just come back to you guys in a few minutes and show you some of the interesting things that I got, or I should say some of the things that I like and that you guys may like as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbag this and I'll be back in a minute. All right guys, so here are the items I got from the store. I did get quite a bit. Like I said, I'm not gonna go through everything, but a couple of the things I wanted to show. These are some of my favorite chips, the sea salt and cracked black pepper. Lay's also makes those. I really love these Cheez-Its, the sharp cheddar and Parmesan. I used to always buy the white cheddar, but these are really good as well. This is an alcoholic beverage. It's Stella Rosa Blueberry. You can buy them by the double, or you can buy them like this. I think this was $4, and it's basically a really sweet red wine with a little carbonation. Okay, these cookies. So of course these Biscoff cookies, if you've ever flown Southwest, or is it Delta? I think it's Delta, but they give you these on the flight, and I've always liked them since I was a kid. So I always pick them up from the bakery. They taste really good with tea or coffee. And these are vanilla wafer cookies. They're so light and crunchy. I really like this as a snack. If you guys have never tried Hawaiian rolls, they are pretty freaking awesome. I love these for a quick turkey sandwich or grilled cheese. They're just really good. All right, and this drink, Gold Peak lemonade tea. Love that. Another thing I wanted to show you guys, here are the drinks that I always have in my mukbang videos. Peach, blackberry, wild cherry, and the raspberry. So whenever I see these in stock, I always grab quite a few. Like I said, they're about $2.50 for each one, but for me, they're so worth it. My favorite type of flowers, tulips. I prefer the white kind, but they didn't have any, so I had to get those, which it's still cute and very like fall vibe. All right guys, and I also picked up this crock pot. Kroger's had these they were on sale. This was like $29.99 or either $39.99 for a 7-quart. They also had a 5-quart for $19.99. So pick that up, and I will definitely be putting that to use. I had a crock pot in the past, but I lost it in a house fire. So this is my first crock pot in probably a year. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my groceries away. I'm not gonna film that part because I know it's gonna take me a long time. However, when I am done, I'll come back and close the video out. All right guys, so I finished putting everything away. I did it kind of fast, so it's semi-organized. It's not perfect, but I have so much stuff left to do today. So let me just show you my fridge and my pantry. Here's my fridge. And that's about as organized as it's gonna get today. Anybody like me and you like the labels to be forward? Yeah. Okay, and here's a look at my pantry. Like I said, it is not the best, but everything is in its place, so I'll take it. That's one side. And here is the other side. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video with me running around, running some errands. Here are my flowers, and yes, I do put a little dish soap in the water so it makes it all pretty. Yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just kind of running some errands with me. I'm gonna go and edit this video, get some work done, and I'll see you guys in the next one.